In this video, I will show you exactly how to maximize your damage output in Sailor Piece so you can dominate every boss fight. The first step involves focusing all your stat points into your primary offensive category. If you use a fruit, put those points into fruit power, but if you prefer blades, dump them into strength. Spreading your stats too thin is a common mistake that will only hold you back in the late game. Next, you need to hunt for legendary equipment. Look for items that offer percentage-based damage buffs rather than flat bonuses. These scale much better as you level up. Timing your abilities is also essential for high burst damage. Always trigger your support buffs before using your ultimate move to ensure every hit counts. Many players forget to check their elemental advantages. Using the correct element against a specific enemy can double your total damage instantly. Stick to these core strategies, and you will see your numbers soar. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.